Let me ask you one thing, only one thing. And no, that wasn't the question. Do you believe that you will be always who you are right now? Or do you believe that you can change who you are and become a different person? Well, if it's the first answer, then you've got something called the fixed mindset. But if you got the second answer, you have something called a growth mindset. Take a guess which one is necessary to win in life. Of course, it's the growth mindset. But if you really think that you can't change who you are, that you are stuck as you are right now, then let me help you in this video. I will help you grow a new mindset, the growth mindset, in this video. Welcome back, leaders. It's me, Nana, and I'm back here to help you again to lead your life. In this video, I'm going to be going over what exactly growth and fixed mindset is, why it's important, and how we can change that mindset. Let's go straight into the video. So fixed mindset is a belief and mindset that someone has that limits their potential to become a better human being, and it makes them think that if they're born in a certain way, that they are stuck like that for the rest of their life. And that's one of the biggest bullshit ever. For example, let's imagine a dude called Mike. Since he was a child, he didn't have any talents, no special abilities, no special skills, unlike his friends, and he didn't really have any good talents or anything he's good at. And even if he tried to get good at something, he fails once and then he just quits. And he believed that he would be like that for the rest of his life and forever. And now he is broke, mediocre, unhappy, depressed, and living a very shitty life. He has a fixed mindset. Don't be like Mike. However, a growth mindset, on the other hand, is the belief that anyone can change, improve, grow who they are, and become a better person and change who they were before. No matter who they are, what background they had, what they were good at, what they were bad at, they always think they can always grow and improve. This is Mike's friend, Ike. He has a lot of similarities with his friend Mike. Like I said earlier, he had no special talents growing up, no special skills, no special abilities. He wasn't really good at anything, just like his friend Mike. Basically everything the same as Mike. But one thing was different about Ike. Take a guess what it is. No, it's not his name, okay? He has a growth mindset. He didn't want to be like that for the rest of his life. And he developed the growth mindset to prove himself that he can get better, change who he is, change who he was, get better at something, and grow and continue to improve. He believed that he can change himself, get good at what he chooses, and can always improve. So, one day he decided to get good at basketball, even though he sucked ass at it. And then he grinded endlessly, put in hours of thousands of hours of work, grinding, dribbling, shooting. And now, after years of practice and everything, he once was a talentless little kid who became a 3-time NBA MVP champion, who lives happily and has a growth mindset. Be like Ike, don't be like Mike. Now I'm gonna tell you why a mindset is important in a person's life. It's everything, alright? Mindset is everything. It's the key. It's the fundamental to a good life. Your mindset defines who you are, what you will be, and what you will do with your life. Now, actors always use a script when they're acting. They read off of something to perform, right? They have things that tell them what they have to say, and how programs and machines use scripts, programs, to run and do their tasks, right? And just like how I'm reading off of a script, see, your mind is just like that. It's the script for your entire life. It's the script for your mindset. It's the script for your life and who you will be, who you are, and what you will be. And if you believe that you can't change, and if you avoid hard work, avoid challenges, can't grow, and you will be the same as who you are, as you've always been, your life is going to suck harder than Mia Khalifa. However, if you believe that you can change who you are, become a better person than you were, become disciplined, accept challenges, put in the hard work, well then that mindset is going to get you farther in life, and then you will truly lead your life and get good at whatever you choose to get good at. Choosing the right mindset will be the difference between success and failure, between hell and heaven, between happiness and mediocrity. Alright, so once you know what a fixed and growth mindset is, why it's important, we're gonna get to how we can actually change this mindset. So if you decided right now that you want to lead an amazing, fulfilled, happy life and not the other one, I'll give you advice now on how to change your mindset to become a more growth-oriented person, more than a fixed one. These results won't be fast, alright? Let me tell you, like everything in life, it's not gonna be fast. If you're looking for a fast solution, then get the out of here, alright? I don't give fast solutions, I give real solutions. Alright, for those of you who decided to stay and go for the slow but worth it solution, well then this will be worth it. So our first step, what do you think it is, huh? Our first step is awareness. You need to be aware of all the negative, limiting, and fixed negative bullshit that's corrupting your mind and your life. I'll give you examples of what these can include. Damn, she's sporty as fuck. I can never be like her. I wish I was as sexy like that. I will never be like him. See, those are the fixed mindset, fixed bullshit script that's feeding your mind and corrupting your life. That is the fixed mindset in action. And believe me, a lot of people have this little script, a little nagging voice in their head going on. Everyone, alright, a lot of people, basically everyone has all these silent negative thoughts just lurking and sneaking around, preparing to jump whenever someone's not aware, and those people are not aware of it. And what matters is how we deal with these thoughts as soon as they come up. Alright, so in order to be aware, you can try a lot of things. Meditation, journaling, that's the best step you can take to become more self-aware of your thoughts and emotions and your mindset. So as soon as you catch these thoughts, just jump out behind your back, you need to catch that shit by its throat, and then I'll tell you the next step now. So our second step, after we catch that negative thought, we're gonna get to fighting and challenging these thoughts. So as soon as you catch that thought, you gotta look at it, alright? You legit gotta stop it and look at that thought. Then you gotta tell your mind the opposite of what that fixed bullshit is telling you. You need to tell your mind a growth phrase that battles that fixed mindset bullshit, and that's a proactive growth mindset phrase right there. And when you keep challenging those fixed thoughts and fixed mindset, keep lurking from behind your back, the more you start catching and challenging these thoughts, the more your growth mindset will start to grow and top that fixed mindset bullshit and kill it. And then you'll develop an even more growth-oriented mindset. Third step, taking action. Now, you really didn't think you could get away without doing any action, did you? Well, life ain't that easy, my friend. Our third and final step is to actually take steps, take actions to reinforce that growth mindset. Taking action against these fixed mindset and reinforcing a growth mindset could be anything. For example, if you combat a fixed mindset like, I can never be as good at basketball as that guy, well then, you gotta prove to yourself, you gotta tell yourself, prove yourself that you can be as good as like that. You could be as good as that guy in basketball, and when you say that, you actually gotta put in the action of getting good at basketball in order to reinforce that mind and build the proper growth mindset structure in your mind. But if you keep saying those shit without taking action, well then there's basically no point. You need to take action. Taking action could be doing things that just reinforces what your growth mindset tells you and supports what you believe. So if you too believe that you can be as athletic and fast as Osman Bolt, you gotta train as hard and as long as him. Remember, anything is possible. Anything. But only if you're willing to put in the hard work. So start doing things you never thought you'd be good at. Challenge that fixed mindset. Grow your growth mindset. Take action towards that growth mindset. And soon you will have a a bigger growth mindset than a damn bamboo stick. Alright, thank you very much, leaders, for watching this video. Now I need you to pause the video and think about what I said. Remember the 3 steps that I told you about. Clearly remember those thoughts and engrave it into your brain. Remember, if you don't take action, there's not a legit single point of reading, watching these self-improvement videos in order to grow yourself. If you don't take action, you're wasting your time. So take action now! By the way, if you liked the video, please subscribe. We're about to hit 100 soon, hopefully by May. And if you like this video, destroy that like button and comment down below the 3 steps. Let me see if you actually memorized the steps or not. And don't forget to share it with your friends so that they too can have a growth mindset and you can grow together as friends. Have an awesome day, leaders, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.